Have you ever looked up at the night sky and thought about the countless stars scattered across the vast universe? Many of these stars belong to enormous groups called galaxies. But did you know that sometimes these galaxies, each with billions of stars, collide with one another? It sounds like a huge cosmic dance in the heavens. Let's start with a big, curious question. How can something as large as a galaxy collide with another? Imagine the universe as a gigantic swimming pool full of balloons, and each balloon is a galaxy floating around. However, they have a tricky side effect. They are pulled towards each other because of an invisible force called gravity. Now, if the pool was much larger, it might seem like the balloons could drift freely without ever touching. This force of gravity is like an invisible string that tugs on everything with mass, including planets, stars, and even galaxies. Sometimes galaxies come too close, and gravity pulls them in, making them dance a cosmic waltz towards each other until they collide. But wait a second. You might think, wouldn't all the stars smash into one another? Well, not quite. Even though galaxies are packed with stars, the space between these stars is so immense. It's like a classroom full of desks, where the desks are the stars. They're numerous, but there's still plenty of space to walk between them. When galaxies collide, the stars mostly pass by each other because of these vast spaces, like a cosmic traffic jam where no cars actually touch. To understand why galaxies collide, we learn from astronomers. For a long time, they observed the night sky through powerful telescopes. Over centuries, they began to notice some galaxies looked odd. They weren't pretty spirals or smooth ellipses. These strange shapes were galaxies in the process of merging together. In fact, our very own galaxy, the Milky Way, is on a collision course. In about 4 billion years, it will likely collide with its neighbor, the Andromeda galaxy, although you don't need to worry, as by that time both galaxies will have danced around each other, reforming into a new galaxy entirely. This cosmic dance can take billions of years, and even though galaxies might collide, they often merge and become one grand galaxy. This beautiful process helps shape the universe as we know it. So the next time you gaze at the starry sky, remember the mighty galaxies performing a cosmic ballet, with gravity as the silent music pulling them together. It's a universal dance that has been happening for billions of years and will continue as long as the universe exists.